gonna cry on TV. Look at this.
I'm Rachael Sullivan. I've been married to Tom Sullivan for 3.5 years, and just about over a month ago, I found out my husband has a secret Instagram account. There was a section on Instagram that recommends people you to follow, and then his name pops up with the account Meals She Eats, and I'm like, who is this she? And then to open it up and find that it's just meals that he's been cooking for me left me completely shocked. These are our 8 chickens. And then about a month ago, they started laying eggs. Last year, I was diagnosed with PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. I had my hormones tested and I had an ultrasound of my uterus done, and all my hormones came back out of whack, and there was cysts in my ovaries. It's painful, your periods are really painful. I had really bad migraines, some really bad mood swings as well. And so after I found that out, I did a lot of research, including my doctor telling me that one of the things you could do is do a gluten-free and dairy-free diet.
I got into cooking probably 12 or 13 years ago. Started with a crock pot, and probably the first 3 years of that, you would never want to eat a single thing I made. As the years went on, I got better at it, and the food started tasting good. Her finding out the PCOS and that there's foods that can help balance her hormones, it kind of really made me look at every single thing I put into a meal.
It was really good.
I definitely am inspired by Chef Joe Flam. He actually is from our hometown and the same high school we went to, and I think he does a lot of things I like. He takes very simple ingredients and makes them taste great. Yeah, that's somebody I've definitely looked up to the last couple of years, and we have a lot of things in common. I had these recipes all over the place, from Pinterest to notes, bookmarks, and would cook her meals based on foods recommended to us by a doctor, and that would help her health. And every time she wanted something, I had no idea how I cooked it. So I'm trying to just find somewhere to put all of these. Instagram seemed like the easiest place to do it.
Tom's following all of a sudden just starts creeping from 69 followers to 200 to 300. I mean, I stayed up all night when I saw it hit 1,000. I was like, you have 1,000 followers, like this is insane. And then we woke up in the morning and it was at 3,000 followers. And within the course of a week, you hit 6,000, and
20 days later, it was at 46,000. A lot of people talk about social media negatively, and the love and support, the people who have shared some intimate things with us, given love to both of us, has been just absolutely amazing. I hope the account keeps inspiring people, and I'm gonna keep cooking.
Tom, the man. Hey, Rach. It's great to meet you.
Hi.
You found a love not only in your beautiful partner in life, but in preparing food. So continued success with this. We'd love to keep following your story. We had a nice little surprise for you guys, since you are home and still cooking so much. And our friends at Misfits Market, oh my God, they love what you guys are doing. And Misfits loves what you guys are doing. They want to keep you cooking and inspiring people. So they're giving you a year's supply of organic produce and groceries. So imagine what you're going to share with the world. Now Tom's really stuck. Poor Tom is never going to.
Rachael, cooking every day makes me happy. Believe me, if I could do it all day, morning to night, it's what gets me excited to get to the end of my day, is like, what am I going to make for her?
One more little fun bit of business for you. Watch this.
Hey, Tom, Rachael, it's your buddy Joe Flam here. How you guys doing? I saw what you guys are doing, Tom, with the blog. It looks so cool. And I just wanted to reach out and say, I feel like I heard there's just a few more tricks, techniques that you're still trying to learn. So I'd love to set up a private Zoom cooking class for me and you, buddy. Take that game a little bit to the next level. Go Red Hawks. Can't wait, man. Bye.
Isn't that great?
Oh my God, I love Flam.
Flam, you're the man. We love you. Thank you, Chef. How generous and sweet. That is the cutest thing in the world. When he makes that meal for you, the secret ingredient will be a couple of those tears, I think. A little bit of tears, a little bit.
I said I wasn't going to cry on TV. Look at him.
Those are good tears.